Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is March 6th here in New York, and here I am trying to do a random algo problem that I haven't done yet because we had a easy day on the daily problem. Let's take a look. Not a premium problem actually, so definitely if you don't have premium, you can also join in and maybe pause and then we'll compare answers. Today's problem is 8:39 minimum time difference. All right, so given a list of we turn the minimum into 2 time points. Okay. Number of minutes, right? Okay, I mean that's not so bad. I think yeah, I mean I think we can actually do something lazy and just sort it, right? Because one of the beautiful things about having what's it called, leading zeros and stuff like that is that you could actually do a sort on the string and it'll give it to you in order. Of course, and then now the best answer will be between two adjacent points because, well, if you sort it, that's just how it goes, right? The minimum. And of course, you have to also make sure to check the first and the last. And that's pretty much it. And you get the min. So, okay. So, yeah, so let's write it out, right? So maybe we can write like n is equal to length of time points. And then now we do, right? So then, yeah, just maybe we'll have a function that does time points of I and time points of I plus 1. Of course, this will make overflow, so we'll just do this. Yeah, and then maybe we just have a best answer is equal to min best, and then this. And here we can set best is equal to some infinity value, where I just have a big number for infinity, right? And that's pretty much it, except for we have to write this function, right? But that's basically the structure. Nothing too bad yet. And then now here we have a calc. We have TP1, TP2 for time point, and maybe we could convert. We have a 24-hour clock. We want to convert it to minutes so that we can do the math. So yeah, let's do that. I think one thing that I should, yeah, I mean, I guess I'll bake it in. Because I think in here, the way that we sort it, the only way that we can have wraparound is only the first and the last. So maybe we could special case that out. Or you can just handle it in every case. Either is probably fine. I don't know. It depends on future reusability and stuff like that. If this was like a production code and stuff like this, right? Of course, this is a one-off thing. So use your best discretion, right? So anyway, so we have minute 1 is equal to, let's just say, convert. These are terrible names, but okay, fine, right? And then we can return min of m2 minus m1, because in theory, I guess we will just do absolute value just because I'm lazy. I know that in theory, we actually, this is always going to be smaller than this one, right? Except for the first one. But I think writing it this way just allows this code to just handle error cases in a more robust way, right? Even though in here, the way that we do it, M2 will always be bigger than M1, except for the case about wraparound, which we will handle. So here, we maybe do this plus, what is it, 24 times 60? What is that, 1440, right? And, maybe you can also write it out so that, oh, yeah. And that basically allows us to convert it to the next ring so that we can wrap around easier. Basically, the idea is that you convert the 000s to like the 0 minute to the 0th minute of the next day, right? Actually, I forgot to do the convert function, right? And then maybe we just do split on this thing with hour, minute, and then we can just return into times 24, I mean 26, what am I doing? But yeah, something like that, right? How did I get 611? Oh, yeah. Did I do it right in the other place? Yeah, I mean, I guess I kind of did it right the other place, but because the order doesn't matter. But that is just a silly typo, really. And yeah, pretty straightforward. This is going to be n log n because of the sorting. Can we do better than sorting? I mean, not strictly per se. I mean, you can do other version of sorting that isn't n log n. Like there is, you could bucket them by hours or something like this, right? And then they're like fun things you can do, I guess. But I think unless yeah, I don't know that you can do it any that much better. At least with comparison based sorting. I mean, I don't know, but they're all kind of like similar ideas. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think, and yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.